This is Audi. We're going to take the rear door panel apart to change out the speakers. These are crackling. First thing you're going to do is there is a screw here under this armrest right here. Can you shine the light? Right there. You're going to take that out. After that, start it from this corner here. There's a little gap there. You're going to pop that out. Now once you have it out like this, you're going to have to pull this to the outer way this way, and this thing release. There are two clips here, one clip here, another one right about there, so you're going to have to clear that. So like that, it comes out. The reason we are taking this out is inside there are two screws here, one here, another one over there. So you're going to have to remove total of 3 screws, and hopefully door panel comes apart. Okay, so once you have those 3 screws out, and start from this bottom panel all the way in the bottom, use a panel pry bar or panel popper. And just pop the whole door skin out. It's kind of tight. And lift it up to release this window jamb here. So this one hooks onto this right here. So once you have it out, then you can just remove the cables. There is a clip right here.
Okay.
And another clip. This one has to come out.
Yeah.
Then this one, red pin comes out first, and you push this release tab to release. And the entire door panel comes out like that. So this is a 6.5 component speakers, meaning it's got the mid bass down here, tweeter on the door panel. So there's a tweeter right there, which is about 1 inch. So we're putting alpine component speakers. So you're going to disconnect the speaker wire plug right there. What we normally do is, as you can see, it's got a big extension spacer here. So rather than getting this expensive, I mean not expensive, I don't have it. We're going to take this grill out, and we're going to cut this actual subwoofer, mid-bass speaker, that's out, and put a new speaker on top of this mount right here. We cut off this top piece, part of the speaker, because if you mount it on here on the top, it's going to hit this big spacer here in the door. So we cut off this little piece right here, about 1/2 inch. It sits on the bottom more further, so this basket doesn't hit the cone right here. Out of 2 wires here, so he can just plug it in the factory plug.
Yep.
It's 8 mil.
Yeah. 8 mil.